Now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision. First standard revision. So already I think you have written in the classwork. So if you have not written in the classwork, you can see this one and write. Okay, children. So this is lesson number 2. Last week I done revision lesson number 1. So this is lesson number 2. The lesson name is Our Basic Needs. Okay, children. So first main hard words. First one survive. SURVIVE survive. Second one hungry. HUNGRY hungry. Third one shelter. SHELTER shelter. Fourth one protect. PROTECT protect. Fifth one heat. HEAT heat. Sixth one breakfast. BREAKFAST breakfast. Seventh one morning. MORNING morning. Eighth one strong. STRONG strong. Ninth one healthy. HEALTHY healthy. Tenth one vegetables. VEGETABLES vegetables. 11th one lunch. LUNCH lunch. 12th one afternoon. AFTERNOON afternoon. 13th one dinner. DINNER dinner. 14th one bones. BONES bones. 15th one nutrients. NUTRIENTS nutrients. Now these are hard words. Next main fill in the blanks. First one food makes dash and healthy. So in the dash you write strong. STRONG strong. So food makes strong and healthy. Second one fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. FRUITS fruits. Third one milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. BONES bones. Fourth one we must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. EIGHT 8. Fifth one clothes cover our body. So CLOTHES clothes. Sixth one a house is a home where a family lives in it. FAMILY family. Students, so these are the fill in the blanks. Now next main write true or false. First one food help us to grow. So in the bracket you must write true. TRUE true. Second one we don't need home to live in. So that is false. So we want a home to live in, no children. So in the bracket we write false. FALSE false. Third one clothes do not protect us from heat, rain and cold. So that is also wrong. So you write in the bracket false. FALSE false. Next main we all wear clothes. So you all will wear clothes, no children. So that is correct. So in the bracket you write true. TRUE true. Fifth one milk is a complete food. So in the bracket you write true. TRUE true. Sixth one we get wool from cow. So where do we get wool, children? So we get wool from sheep. Here they given cow, so that is wrong. So in the bracket you write false. FALSE false. Okay, children? So these are true or false. Now next main name the things you have for. So in the morning for breakfast what you will have, what you will eat. So for lunch and dinner what will you eat, you must write in the dash. So first one breakfast. So breakfast means morning what you will eat. Tindi. So I written idli, dosa, upma. IDLY idli, DOSA dosa, UPMA upma. Now second one lunch. So When you have lunch, children, so in the afternoon you will have lunch. So for lunch, what you will eat? So I have written here rice, sambar, pulao. Or I see rice, S-A-M-B-A-R, sambar, P-U-L-A-V, pulao. Now third one, dinner means night. So in the night, what you will eat? Chapati, ragi ball. So if you are liking to eat some other thing, you can write that also. So chapati, C-H-A-P-A-T-H-I, chapati. R-A-G-I-B-A-L-L, ragi ball. So chapati, ragi ball. So breakfast, idli, dosa, upma. Second one, lunch, rice, sambar, pulao. Third one, dinner, for dinner, chapati, ragi ball. Okay, children? Next is answer the following question answer. First one, what are our basic needs? Answer, food, clothes, home and water are our basic needs. F-O-O-D food, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, H-O-M-E home, A-N-D and W-A-T-E-R water, A-R-O-U-R our, B-A-S-I-C basic, N-E-E-D-S needs, basic needs. Second one, why do we need to eat food? Answer, when we feel hungry, we have to eat food as it makes us strong and healthy. W-H-E-N well, W-E-F-E-E-L feel, H-U-N-G-R-Y hungry, W-E-V-H-A-V have, T-O-2, E-A-T eat, F-O-O-D food, A-S as, I-T eat, M-A-K-E-S makes, U-S as, S-T-R-O-N-G strong, A-N-D and H-E-A-L-T-H-Y healthy. When we feel hungry, we have to eat food as it makes us strong and healthy. Next, how do clothes protect our body? Answer, clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold and rain. C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, C-O-V-E-R cover, Y-O-R our, B-O-D-Y body, A-N-D and P-R-O-T-E-C-T protect, U-S as, F-R-O-M from, H-E-A-T heat, C-O-L-D cold, A-N-D and R-A-I-N rain. Clothes cover our body and protect us from heat, cold and rain. Next, fourth one, what do we wear in summer? Means bisil kaladalni ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ? Answer, we wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. W-E-A-R wear, C-O-T-T-O-N cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, I-N in, S-U-M-M-E-R summer, C-O-T-T-O-N cotton, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, K-E-E-P keep, U-S as, C-O-O-L cool. Now next question, what do we wear in winter? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. W-E-A-R wear, W-O-O-L-L-E-N woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, I-N in, W-I-N-T-E-R winter. W-O-O-L-L-E-N woolen, C-L-O-T-H-E-S clothes, K-E-E-P keep, U-S as, W-A-R-M warm. Next, sixth one, what do we wear in rainy season? Means ಮಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ? We wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. We also carry umbrella. W-E-V-W-E-A-R wear, R-A-I-N rain, C-O-A-T-S coats, A-N-D and G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S gumboots, I-N in, R-A-I-N-Y rainy, S-E-A-S-O-N season. WVALSO also, CARRY carry, UMBRELLA umbrella. We wear raincoats and gumboots in rainy season. We also carry umbrella. Next, what is called uniform? Children wear special clothes to school. These special clothes are called uniform. CHILDREN children. WAR wear. SPECIAL special. CLOTHS clothes. TO2 SCHOOL school. THESC these. SPECIAL special. CLOTHS class, ARR, CALLED called, UNIFORM uniform. Next, what are the different houses? So there are two different houses. One is Kacha house, another is Paka house. THER is there, ARR, TWO2, DIFFERENT different, HOUSES houses. ONE1 ISEs, KUTCHA Kacha, HOUSE house, ANOTHER another, ISEs, PUCCA Paka, HOUSE house, Paka house. Okay children, so these are the revisions of second lesson. Okay children, any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So please sit and practice in the rough note. If you are not attending in the classwork, you see this one and write in the classwork. Okay children, thank you.